Boowa, space superhero. I am here to save the planet Earth.
I am Kwala, space superhero. I am here to save the whole world. What's all that, Boowa?
I don't know. Let's go and have a look.
It's all dirty, la.
Maybe it's rubbish from a boat that sailed near our island.
Oh.
Sometimes people throw their rubbish in the sea, and the waves carry the rubbish here.
We should do something, Boowa.
You're right. Let's play nature superheroes.
Yeah! I'm a nature superhero. I'm going to save the river from the naughty rubbish. Superhero save the river from the naughty rubbish.
But the nature superheroes still have to carry the rubbish back to the house. We'll carry my bag together, then come back for yours. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, which bin should we put our rubbish in, la?
Look at the pictures on the bins.
Right. Paper in the paper bin.
Glass in the glass bin.
Metal in the metal bin.
And plastic in the plastic bin. That was fun.
That's lucky. There's another bag to do. Will you help me, nature superhero Kwala?
Of course I will, nature superhero Boowa.
See you later, nature superheroes.
Plastic bags and paper, empty cans and bottles all go in the bin. Pick them up,
We pick them up,
pick them up,
we pick them up.
pick them up and put them in. Superheroes, superheroes.